Skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments all depend on collagen to provide structure and support. As an essential building block of the human body, collagen is crucial in tissue regeneration. Utilizing its healing benefits and increasing variety of medical procedures, turn to collagen as the preferred biomaterial. Introducing Collage, the world's only plant-based source of type 1 recombinant human collagen. CollPlant's breakthrough technology introduces 5 essential human genes into a single plant cell. The plant then synthesizes authentic human protein chains and assembles them into stable, triple helix procollagen, the natural precursor of collagen. Procollagen is a transient and elusive protein in the human body, and to date, CollPlant is the only company capable of producing it. After extraction from the plant, the procollagen is modified into collagen using a well-controlled process. As opposed to recycled animal-derived collagen, ultra-pure Collage displays the highest similarity to young and healthy human collagen. This newly produced virgin collagen can be organized into smooth and homogeneous fibrils as desired, creating an excellent scaffold which provides the optimal combination of tensile strength and extensibility. By utilizing plants as a production system, Collage is naturally free from prions, infectious pathogens, allergens, and immunological responses, unlike recycled sources such as bovine, porcine, or human cadavers. The bioengineered plants are designed to produce collagen only in specific plant compartments, which enable high production yields. This results in large-scale recovery of newly made, unlimited, and cost-effective collagen. Collage's smooth and unused fibrils form an excellent scaffold for cellular proliferation and structure. For example, when applied to a wound, they are innately recognized and utilized by the human body. Collage's ready-made human collagen jumpstarts the healing process and facilitates accelerated tissue repair in the matrix deposition phase of wound healing. Through precise manipulation, Collage is formulated into various functional forms, including sponges, sheets, membranes, films, and gels, which can be tailored to fit diverse medical applications. Thermally and mechanically stable Collage is expected to maintain its contour long-term. Add to this its human characteristics for an ideal implant biomaterial which outperforms the market standards in current applications. Collagen possesses a great market potential and is currently incorporated in a wide variety of acute and chronic medical applications, including orthopedics, plastic surgery, tissue regeneration, wound healing, and burn treatments. Collage by CollPlant, the future of regenerative medicine.